To enable 0DTE options on Robinhood, you need to have a Robinhood account and meet certain eligibility requirements. First, make sure you have the latest version of the Robinhood app installed on your device. Open the app and log into your account. Tap the account icon in the top right corner. Then tap Investing. Scroll down to the Options section and tap on Options. If you do not see the 0DTE options, you may need to apply for a Robinhood Options account. Tap on the Get Started button and follow the prompts to apply. You will need to answer a series of questions about your investment experience and financial situation. Once your application is approved, you will have access to options trading, including 0DTE options. To enable 0DTE options, go to the Options section and tap on the Trade button. Select the stock or ETF you want to trade options on. Then tap on the Options chain. Look for the 0DTE options at the top of the options chain. If you do not see them, you may need to tap on the Filter button and select the 0DTE option. Before trading 0DTE options, make sure you understand the risks involved. 0DTE options are highly speculative and can result in significant losses if not traded carefully. It is essential to have a solid understanding of options trading and risk management before trading 0DTE options. It is also important to set a budget and stick to it. Do not invest more than you can afford to lose. Start with small trades and gradually increase your position size as you gain experience. Finally, make sure to monitor your trades closely and adjust your strategy as needed. 0DTE options can be highly volatile, and prices can change rapidly. Stay informed and up to date with market news and analysis to make informed trading decisions.